So this Lab 7 is for reaction order and rate laws, and I just finished mixing my chemicals. I have my distilled water, my sodium thiosulfate, and then my hydrochloric acid. This was for my data table 2, so I was verifying the concentration of 0.3 moles of that sodium thiosulfate. In my well 1, I had just the 12 drops of the sodium thiosulfate and then added 8 drops of hydrochloric acid. In well 2, I had 6 drops of water, 6 drops of the sodium thiosulfate, and then 8 drops of hydrochloric acid. And then in well 3, I had 8 drops of the water, 4 drops of the sodium thiosulfate, and then again the 8 drops of hydrochloric acid. And I haven't even finished my averages or anything like that. I have them for my first table, and I found that from that one it was a zero order law, because as the initial concentration changed, the timing really didn't change. It had no effect on the rate. Whereas my concentration for my sodium thiosulfate, as the initial concentration changes, my time almost doubles every time. So I would say that's probably the first rate order from 1 to 1, and if you wanted to do the 0.3 moles to 0.1, my timing almost quadruples there, which would be the second rate law. So yeah, so that's what I would say about rate law. That's how I found my rate law for this experiment. And again, here are my chemicals that I just did. I just didn't have enough hands to have my phone videotaping while I was stopwatching and adding chemicals. But yep, I did this lab. All done. Just gotta go finish my lab report.